Welcome to Resident Support Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to import units and owners into your blocks in Resident. To begin, we're going to navigate to a block we've already created. Now we're going to click on Block on the left-hand menu. Once we've opened up this menu, we're going to click on Units, and we'll have our unit list in front of us. As you can see, our unit list is empty. So once we're here, we're going to click on More Actions and Import Units and Owners. This will open the Import Units and Owners page. Now you'll see that there's two tabs, one with Upload User Data and one with Usage Instructions. If we navigate to the Usage Instructions tab, it will allow us to download a template of the spreadsheet that we'll need to upload. So I'm going to go ahead and press this button and download the template. Now once you've got the template open, you'll be able to see this. As you can see, there's a header for each different piece of data that we need for our leaseholders. You can now simply fill out this spreadsheet with all of the information that you'd like to upload to your block. Here's an example of what the spreadsheet will look like when it's filled out. Not all of the fields are required, so you won't need to fill out everything, but just the basics will be fine. On my spreadsheet, I've got some addresses, some contact details, and even an opening balance for one of our leaseholders. And now that I've saved my spreadsheet, I can head back to Resident and navigate to the Upload User Data tab. All I need to do now is click on Choose File, select the file that I want to upload, and as you'll see, it will populate the page with all of the information from my spreadsheet. And now I can check all of my data. I can make sure it's all spelled correctly and that it's all under the correct headings. Now the best thing about this form is that if I do find an error, I don't have to go and change my spreadsheet and re-upload it. All I have to do is click into one of these boxes and make the amendment here and now. Like for example, I've noticed that the opening balance that I originally put of £500 is actually supposed to be minus £500, so I'm going to change that before I import. Now that I've made all of the necessary amendments and checked over all of my data, I'm going to press Import to upload my file. Now this is going to take me back to the Import Units and Owners page. So I'm just going to go ahead and press Units on the left-hand menu again, and this will take me to my Units page. Only this time, I actually have units. As you can see, all of my data is imported correctly, and my minus 500 is now showing, so everything is exactly where I need it to be. And now my units and owners are all set up, ready to go.